All right, guys. We've added the 3 week key level on the chart. Previously we only have 1 week key level, which we have the daily, we have the monthly, we have the weekly. You understand? So, but now since we are trading advanced key level, so we brought out those advanced key level the previous week and the current week and last 2 weeks key level on the chart so that it can be visible for you, so that you know what is going on in the market and know when to place your stop loss. Because when I place my stop loss, most of you think is wide and all that. No, I always place my stop loss in a place where the market was rejected before. So once you place your stop loss at a place when there was a rejection before and you are buying, and you place it on any previous support level, it is very difficult for it to come back to that place. You understand? So that is how I put my stop loss. So I want to give you a pictorial view on it on the chart, which I have it on my desktop. I see everything clearly, but I had to look for a way to bring it down to the app, which we already have a normal chart before on the app, which is only weekly key level, current weekly key level, daily key level, and a monthly key level. But since we're dealing with advanced key level, I decided to add those levels on the chart, which will now have the current weekly key level. Then you now have the, what's it called, the last week key level, which is on the memory, and the 2 weeks key level. So you have about 3 weeks key level on the chart. So with that, you'll be able to see what price I've done previous week, last 2 weeks, and this current week. So with that, you'll be able to know where you put your stop loss and be able to predict where the market will be going to. Let's say, for instance, if we are looking for a buy, I'm going to put my stop loss at the previous support of last week where price was rejected. So let me show you how it looked like. You already know it. There's a video for the complete video of for the chart and all that, but I'm just going to go through it. This is simple. You select your pair here. It's very simple. Select your pair, select the day and the time frame and all that. This is home. This to go back. This is where the currency that you're looking at for will display. This is where you set your key level to display on the chart. This is just the current price of the pair. This is where you load. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to load Euro USD or GBP USD, because those ones are among our radar that we're looking at for. So I'm going to load GBP USD. I'll put it. It's very simple. It's going to enhance you. Even if you're not using the software, you're not using the signal for the software, you'll be able to see the ranges where markets react and all this stuff. You know where to go and all that. It's going to help you a lot. You understand? So you can actually copy it and paste it on your own desktop and all those stuff. You can actually put it there. But me, I like is if I'm not with my system, I'll just log into the app and just check what's going on, where the market is going to react to and all that. I'll be able to know off my head. So now I'm going to take 1 hour. I'm taking 1 hour. Then I'll now click load. Then it will now load it on the chart. It doesn't take time now. This is the current candlestick of GBP USD. You understand? So I want to pick the levels I want to look out for. Now, as you can see, we have this is ML, which is the monthly key level. I've already discussed that on a certain video like that. This is weekly key level, the current one. This is the daily key level. Then this is the only added stuff we did to this chart, which is what this, which is this. This is the only one we added. Weekly key level. That's last week key level. Then this is last 2 weeks key level. Do you understand? That's the only thing we added. So if I want to see last week key level, what happens on those pair? Then I'll just click this. Immediately it will not display on this chart. Now as you can see, it's very, very tiny. So I will have to remove this, then remove this, so that I will have a broader view and see what is going on in the market. So I'll just come here, I'll remove. Before then, you just click it. It will tell you last week resistance 3 is very far. I'll remove it. Last week resistance 2. So I'm removing in all this so that the candle will be big. Then I'll be able to see what's going on. So I'll remove resistance 3. I'll take it out. I'll remove resistance 2. I'll take it. As you can see, it's coming up. So let me remove support 3. Where is it? Support 3. As you can see, it's coming up. So now this is, I'll click X to close this. Now, as you can see, we're actually looking for a buy for GBP USD. Which price reacted to this? If you check your advanced key level, you see that price has reacted to what? Last week's support one. You understand? Price reacted to this last week's support, and that's why it's looking for a buy. So to move up to this pivot, then we get to this place. So any place you see there is a space here, there's a possibility that price is going to cover all this space. That's why when you see me put my stop loss, I always put it below. It's very far. You see like 50, 60 pips, you'll be afraid. But I always put it where price has rejected before. So I can put my stop loss maybe here. You understand? Since it's moving to the upside, I'll put it up. Even if price want to retest, it will not go beyond this. Or I can even put it here, then reduce my excess. So with this, it will give you an hint of what is going on in the market. This is a real time. You understand? This is GBP USD, the real time. So we are looking for a buy on GBP USD. If you check your trading journal, you check the advanced key level, you see that it will tell you to wait. It's waiting for a confirmation. Definitely we're going to shoot up. It's waiting for it because price has already reacted to what? Last week. You understand? Support one. Now if I change this thing now to the current week support one, you see now, this is the current week support one. Now we are having a weekly support at the top here. This is the current week now. We're having a support here. You see how helpful it is. We're having a support 2 here. Then if I change this now to last 2 weeks, you'll be able to see what happened before. I change it to last 2 weeks. Now there's no support on that. We only have the pivot. So if we can break this, if we can break this level, all these things are the barriers. If we can break this, we'll move up because price has already reacted to last week key level, which is this. You understand? Which is this. So we want to break up to it. So with this, you'll be able to see what is going on in the market on different pairs. Anyone you are watching out for, you know where to put your stop loss. You might use it to take profit if you want, because definitely price is always cover up all these spaces you see. So you can be using all these ones as your take profit. Depends on how you want to do it. Yes, but me, I don't normally take profit. I only look at where, if price is reacting to this level, if it breaks it, will move ahead. If it doesn't, I just break even and leave the market. So, but with this, you understand, you'll be able to know where to place your stop loss and your take profit, and know, just understand it. It's very simple. I just give you an insight. If you doubt it, let's go to the what's it called, the advanced key level. Now I'll click home so that I see that GBP was price has reacted to last week's support one. So let's click on swing and do this. Let's search GBP USD, GBP USD. As you can see, last 2 weeks support one. Let's see, last week support one. Let's say this is the current support one. This is the current daily support, weekly support one. So price is reacting to all these levels. That's why it's telling us to wait, another one to wait. All these level price is reacting to them. That is why we are waiting to get confirmation before we can take a buy. As you can see, we already have buy here, up here, up here. So we're waiting for this one to confirm. Then we'll be able to shoot. Once we shoot, you just hurriedly go to the chart and see what is going on. This is the chart here. You click here to drop down. Then you see what's going on. Now let's go to that GBP. What's it called? GBP USD. You'll be able to see what I'm talking about. It will help you. You understand? I already have this on my laptop and all that, so it's very easy for me to just look at. I know that there's a space here. It's going to cover this place. There's this and this and this. So I'll just put 1 hour. I load it. Click on load. Now select price reacted to this level. Look at it. Then I'll take out the top ones so that I'll be able to see the candle very well. I'll remove this arrow 3. It's very far. Don't need it. I'll still remove arrow 2. Still far. Don't need it. So as you can see, this is what the advanced key level is telling you, that price has reacted to this level. As it's reacting to this level, so we are waiting for a buy move. You understand? That's what it's simply telling you. So all these are the levels. Those are the key levels, previous key level that happened before. So the system pick it back and plot it and check for weak rejection. As you can see, you're seeing weak rejections here. It's just rejecting. That is why it's looking for a buy. It's as simple as that. But as you can see, price was not able to break this level. That's why we're looking for a buy. So if I want to put my stop loss, either I put it below here to be more safer. You understand? Because price might just spike down, go up, spike down. Definitely it will still go to the upside. So if the Excel is wide, reduce your lot size. It's simple. You understand? It's very simple. So I always place my stop loss to where the market can hardly get to. As you can see, it's currently struggling to break this place, but it couldn't. So we are moving to the upside. So with this now, I'm very, very sure that price must get to this place because there's a space here. There's no key level here. If we can break this pivot, we'll get to all this place. It's just patient and time. So that's how it is. With this, you'll be able to see what is going on each pair. So you can actually click it, collect the price, plot it on your chart if you want to look at the price. You just tap, you see the price, tap, you see the price. You can plot it on your chart for you to get a pictorial view. You can be using the app, whichever way you want to do it. But with this, you'll be able to see the clear view of what's going on in the market. Let's look at Euro USD. You still see the same thing. I will load it 1 hour. Then this is the charts. I'll load it 1 hour. Let's look at, I love weekly key level. We have the daily, we have the monthly, but weekly is far more powerful than every of them. But you can see plot them. You never can tell. You might get something, one or two from it. So I'll click this last week key level. As you can see, it did not react to any of these levels here. It's very open. You understand? No reaction done. We just gave a V. But if we check the current week now that we are in, let's say if we're going to have that, as you see the current week that we're in, so price tested this current week support. So if we can break this support now, this is the thing that is holding us now. If we can break this support, we shoot to the outside because there's a space here. You understand? And it's already at the bottom. Now let's look at last 2 weeks, what happened on this same point. Let's say last 2 weeks, nothing happened. So definitely we're going to move up to the upside. So and this is another hindrance here. This is the last 2 weeks resistance. So if price still get to this place, we are still going to struggle until we break it. So with this, you'll be able to get a proper view. Most times you see me, I'll tell you, if price break this level, we are going to shoot to the upside. This is where I get my information from. So with this, you understand that price does not just move. It respects previous level that price has reacted to and all that. You can still look for daily, but daily does not really have that power that much to check. This is the same thing. Daily doesn't have that power that much. I prefer the weekly. You understand? Whichever way you want to use it. This is monthly. ML is monthly. As you can see, there's a huge distance between them. You understand? But I prefer weekly is better. You understand? Better, more efficient. So this is what I have to show you. This is the added information we added to it, which is the weekly L1 and weekly L2. This is the last week key level. This is last 2 weeks key level. You already know how to use this. You understand? This is the monthly key level, current weekly key level, daily key level. So this is an additional function based on the advanced key level because these are the things the advanced key level look out for before it takes its decision. As you can see, it's very open. You can see it and understand how it works. So that's it. So just watch it. If you have any question, you ask. Get to improve yourself the more. Thank you.